Alright, 32 is a really good problem. It says, at what value of x does the absolute minimum of f, the position function, occur? Now, we saw from our f prime of x that all these values are positive, and we saw that these were negative. Now, I understand that these are 0, which are neither negative or positive, and this was 0. But I'm increasing throughout all this, and I'm decreasing f-wise. Okay? So if we remember from the previous problem that we had this interval was concave up because these slopes were negative or positive if I took the derivative. Second derivative test shows that this interval would be positive. These were negative. These were positive. These were negative because they're negative slopes. And then these were positive. Oops, I just realized what I did. These are negative. And then these were positive. Then these were negative, and these were negative because these slopes are all still negative slopes. And then finally, this last interval, the positive slopes that I have. These show concavity, or f double prime, and the graph showed f prime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph what it could possibly look like. So concave up, I'm increasing. Now I'm not increasing because this graph is increasing. I'm increasing because all this is increasing because it's above the x-axis. Okay? They're positive numbers. First derivative says it's going to be increasing. So concave up, increasing. So concave up, increasing. Next one is concave down, still increasing because they're positive values. Concave up, still increasing. Concave down, still increasing. And then this is concave up, still increasing. Notice that right here, my slope is 0. This is probably a horizontal tangent. Okay? And then we come over here. This is going to be concave down, still increasing. And then here it's going to be concave down, decreasing. Now this is not, this is also a horizontal tangent. In this case, it's going to show you that relative max. And you can see that for the first derivative test, positive to negative. And then we have finally concave up, decreasing. So by looking at this, the absolute minimum would only be able to occur here. Okay? So my answer is going to be at x is equal to 0. So my value would be A. My answer is A.